kids, it's me, TillyMake, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to build a little diorama like this. So first you're going to need some green, and you need to roll it into a ball. If it's already pre-flattened, that's okay too. And if you have a pasta maker at home, which I don't know if you do or not, but if you do, please do use it, as it will save you a lot of effort and time. But I don't have a pasta maker, so I'm just going to use this handle. I don't know where it's from. I don't know what it is. It's just useful. So you take your clay, this thing, you put it there, and you do like this motion with this thing, like this motion with it over the clay. It's like you're rolling out dough for like pastry. Okay, done. Got a flat piece. Don't know why it's swirly, but anyway, just is. So to make the pool in it, so you take whatever colour you want the water to be, or whatever liquid you want it, and you roll it out just like you did the green, same motion. So we got it like this, and I usually put my things at like the edge, because then I can like fold them under like that, and then it looks personally neater in my opinion, but whatever floats your boat, bro. Whatever floats your boat. So you take a chunk of clay, about this big, whatever colour you want the flower to be, and you roll it out into a circle, and then you make this shape with like a swirling motion with 2 fingers. Yep, just like that. And then you make circles, and you make circles and you put them on the swirl, and it'll make a flower as petals. So you do that, keep going, and you can add as many petals as you want or as little. Just make sure that you're happy basically with how many petals you've put on. It's your sculpture, you can do what you want with it. So I've got my big flower. So far it looks like this. It will look better once you got the salamander and the mushroom in, but speaking of salamanders, we're gonna make that now. So you need to take a chunk of clay, about this big in my preference, and you make a carrot shape. Yep, like that. And you make like it bent if you want a salamander to be bent. Personally, I like that because I feel like it looks better when they're sat down, like when they're laying on the ground. So you really so you put them on once you've done, and this will be his face, by the way, so that's why there's nothing there. We're not putting a neck on, but we're just, putting some eyes on the front of it. So you take the black, and you make these little spheres, and you just slap them on. So, and boom! Smiles. Now to make the mushroom, whatever colour you want the cap to be, you can make it any colour you want, but I'm going to make mine yellow with an orange stem. I don't know why. I'm going to make my mushroom black. I don't know why I want to make my mushroom black. Just it seems like an aggressive colour. Just does. and we plop it on. Right there. Perfect. And that is our diorama. Let's compare it to the original, to be honest. There's a clear difference in quality. But this took me a lot longer than this did, so yeah. You don't have to follow this tutorial exactly, or you can. I don't know, whatever floats your boat. And there's probably a question on your guys' minds, like you're pondering about it. What on earth are you talking about, TillyMake, when you say you built a T-Rex? This is the T-Rex that I spoke of. So bye guys, stay inside and stay safe.